We will discuss the tabs that you have covered in Unit 3. We have entered the demo mode and are currently looking at the Faults tab. The Faults tab again displays all of your active and inactive codes. If you would like a description of the code, simply click on that code. A brief description of the code that you have clicked on will be displayed. Giving code description, causes, and effects of that specific code. To return to your Faults menu, simply click the tab. The second tab we discussed is your Engines tab. This is where all parameters can be accessed. Simply by clicking on your data list, all parameters will be listed. To highlight a parameter and set a quick list, simply check that parameter on the side. We will be looking at engine speed, boost pressure, fuel delivery pressure, and fuel temperature. As you can see, I have 4 check marks and my quick list now lists 4. I simply click on View Quick List and it shows the 4 parameters that we have selected. To view a graph, simply click the Graph button in the bottom left corner. As you can see, all the parameters selected have begun to graph. To return to our parameters, simply click the Back button. Other things that are listed within this area are trip data, which will show things like our total fuel used, engine revolutions, engine hours, total vehicle distance, and trip distance. Also, your cruise control data can be listed here. We're going to return to our quick list and look at one other feature. The record mode is also available here. To create a recording, simply click the Record Mode button in the bottom right corner. This screen will appear. To begin your recording, touch the screen. There was already a file in the computer, and we are going to overwrite the file that was written in. As you can see here, our recording has started. If we would like to view in real time, we simply hit the View Real Time button. As you can see, a warning is going to appear suggesting that you not drive and look at this at the same time. We have returned to our graph and recording page. We can set a bookmark. Each time a bookmark is pressed, that will create a start point in our recording. We will review this further in later chapters. We're going to stop our recording, exit the recording screen, which returns us to Engine 1 parameters. List. Simply press the Clear Quick List button. Now, to create a new quick list, we would need to select New Parameters. The next tab we will discuss is your Calibrations tab. Once calibrations have been loaded, simply select the calibration screen and it will show all categories that are available. We will highlight maximum road speed limit. The current range is set between 1 mile an hour and 127 miles an hour with a current value of 75. To change, we simply highlight the area and select the new value. Now our maximum road speed limit has been set to 85 miles an hour. The last tab we will discuss is the Test tab. Under the Test tab in demo mode, we have a cylinder cutout test. When the tool is hooked to a specific vehicle, all available tests will show at this point. For demonstration purposes, we are going to look at a cylinder cutout test. We will highlight that test, and as you can see, we're looking at a 6-cylinder engine. To start the test, click on the Start button. As you can see, our engine speed is 800 RPMs. In order to cut out a cylinder, simply click on the cutout button of the cylinder you desire to cut out. As you can see, it changed our engine speed RPM. When the cylinder is cut out, the status will show as cut out. When the cylinder is under power, the status will change to power. We are currently at 2,859 RPMs. We cut out cylinder 6 and you can see that RPMs have changed to 2,759 RPMs, indicating a reduction in engine power. To end the test, simply press Quit. These are the tabs functions discussed in this section of your book.